Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple bottle cork and a small piece of wire into a super effective handmade fishing float. It's cheap, it's easy, and it works like a charm. Let's get crafting. If you want to catch more fish without breaking the bank, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome fishing tips, hacks, and handmade projects. Tight lines, and see you in the next one.